डाइट चेक, वर्कआउट चेक, बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू लूज फैट. इंचेस मूव नहीं हो रहे, वेट मूव हो नहीं रहा है, आप फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो एंड यू डोंट नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज कॉजिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम. These are some of the hidden stressors which are important for you to address, and these will be a game changer in your fat loss journey. Stay tuned till the end to know more. Hi, welcome back. I'm Rahul Kamra, founder of KetoReds. After transforming myself and 1,000 plus individuals, what I've realized is that despite being on a diet, despite being on a workout, हम में से बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो ये रियलाइज़ नहीं करते कि कुछ ऐसे हिडन स्ट्रेसर्स हैं आपकी बॉडी के जो आपके फैट लॉस को ज़रूर रोक सकते हैं. If you're a person who's new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel pressing the bell icon. सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो आपको हर संडे एक नई वीडियो मिलेगी which will give you so much of information about keto, low carb, fat loss psychology and so much more. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So when we talk about this topic which is hidden stressors, ये कितनी बार आपके एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होती हैं. आप अपना डाइट ढंग से कर रहे हो, आप अपना वर्कआउट ठीक से कर रहे हो, आप अपने मैक्रोस को ट्रैक कर रहे हो, बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी रिजल्ट्स एंड यू आर एब्सोल्युटली क्लूलेस कि हो क्या रहा है. Why is the body not responding the way you wanted the body to respond? And why is it creating a difficult time for you? This video is for you if you've been struggling for a long period of time. हो सकता है इस वीडियो के बाद में आपको बहुत सारे नोट्स बनाने पड़े. So don't forget to pause this video, take a paper and pen so that you can write it, and don't forget to check out the description because there are so many resources which I keep uploading in the description as well. इंडियन कीटो डाइट प्लेलिस्ट है पूरी डिस्क्रिप्शन में. आप इंडियन कीटो डाइट के बारे में सीख सकते हो. व्हाट इज कीटो, व्हाट टू ईट ऑन कीटो. इफ यू विश टू पर्सनली कनेक्ट विद मी, you can also fix a direct call with me and I can help you to strategize your journey, also give you some more insights and figure out if KetoReds method is for you or not, or otherwise if I can help you or you can help yourself. कहीं आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं जो मैं आपको सत्ता बता पाऊँ फोन पे ही. So let's dive into this video. I'll divide it into few chapters. आपको नीचे बार पे आराम से chapters मिलेंगे for you to navigate. In this video I'll be talking about hidden stressors. That's the first thing, जो आपके 5 hidden stresses हैं आपके फैट लॉस को रोक लेते हैं. Second thing is how stress can increase your cortisol levels and also worsen your insulin resistance, which is one of the main reasons why you gain fat. Also, the third thing is how you can make a change today, which is going to give you better results in the coming future. What changes can you make in your routine and diet, which can be really helpful for you. This is out of experience of working with 1,000 plus people and coaching them and helping them lose fat. So stay tuned till the end. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete strategy about how to manage your weight loss plateau, how to manage your current routine, and if you've been stuck at the same weight and the body measurements despite being on a diet and workout, ये वीडियो आपके लिए गोल्ड माइन है. Chapter 1, how stress stops fat loss is equal to the cortisol connection. So whenever body is under stress, despite being less sleep, ज़्यादा वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, आपको ऑफिस का बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस है, ये आपके फैट लॉस को हैम्पर करता है. कॉर्टिसोल आपकी बॉडी के लिए स्मॉल अमाउंट्स में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये आपके वेकअप स्लीप साइकिल को जरूर इफेक्ट करता है. कॉर्टिसोल कंप्लीटली बुरा नहीं है, बट जब भी कॉर्टिसोल हायर लेवल्स पे जाएगा तो ये आपके फैट लॉस को रोकेगा एंड यू विल सी लॉट ऑफ फैट गेन अराउंड योर बेली. सो कॉर्टिसोल स्टॉप कैसे करता है फैट लॉस? फर्स्टली कॉर्टिसोल इंक्रीजेस योर इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, द कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ द बॉडी टू यूटिलाइज कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. उसको सब कुछ वो स्टोर करने लगती है बॉडी. जैसे ही कॉर्टिसोल इंक्रीज होता है, इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस अपने आप मल्टीप्लाई होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. मोर इंसुलिन इज इक्वल टू मोर फैट स्टोरेज. सो दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लमेटिक सिचुएशन. जब भी कॉर्टिसोल इंक्रीज होगा, आपका इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होना शुरू हो जाएगा. सेकंड थिंग इज कॉर्टिसोल इंक्रीज हंगर हार्मोन्स. कभी नोटिस करा है जिस दिन आपको स्ट्रेस होता है उस दिन आप ज्यादा खाने लगते हो. इफ यू स्लीप लेस, यू स्टार्ट ईटिंग मोर. इट regulates your ghrelin leptin balance and it makes you feel more hungrier. So आपको स्ट्रेस भी है, आपकी बॉडी स्टोर भी कर रही है, आपको ज्यादा भूख भी लग रही है. थर्ड थिंग इज कॉर्टिसोल स्लोज मेटाबॉलिज्म. कॉर्टिसोल आपके थायराइड फंक्शन को भी इफेक्ट करता है, जिससे कि आपको मेटाबॉलिज्म इफेक्ट करता है एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू लूज फैट फर्दर. यू आर नॉट एबल टू एफिशिएंटली वर्क. Your sluggish metabolism also results in your body storing everything. So key takeaway is that if you're not managing stress, your body is stuck in this vicious circle जहाँ पे वो fat storage mode में ही रहेगी, वो कभी भी fat loss mode में नहीं जाएगी. And this will only happen because of your less sleep, more stress because of work, over workouts, over training, and you're causing major stress to the body. So firstly, you need to detect if you see any kind of stressful aspects, start addressing them so that the body gets into fat loss mode. Now we move to chapter number 2, the 5 hidden stressors for your fat loss. Firstly, less sleep raises your cortisol levels by 40% and can make you more insulin resistant. जब भी cortisol बढ़ेगा, आपको भूख ज़्यादा लगेगी, आपके insulin resistant होने के chances ज़्यादा होंगे, आपको उस टाइम पे fat loss नहीं experience होगा. A study from Annals of Internal Medicine found that people who sleep less than 5 hours would lose 55% less fat as compared to somebody who's sleeping between 7 to 9 hours every night. So first thing which is very important to focus on is not have poor sleep cycle. अगर आप दिन में 7 घंटे नहीं निकाल सकते नींद के लिए तो फैट लॉस बिल्कुल भूल जाइए। ये सबसे पहले आपके फैट लॉस को इफेक्ट करेगा, आपके कोर्टिसोल लेवल्स को बढ़ाएगा एंड यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू रीच योर आइडियल बॉडी मेजरमेंट्स और आइडियल बॉडी शेप विच यू वांट टू अचीव। इफ यू हैव बीन स्ट्रगलिंग विद योर स्लीप साइकिल एंड यू वांट टू सेट अप अ प्री स्लीप रूटीन, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, प्री स्लीप रूटीन अपना सेटअप करिए, अपने स्क्रीन टाइम को कम करें और कैसे अपनी नींद को स्टिमुलेट करें, यू विल बी एबल टू एक्सेस दैट जस्ट बाय चेकिंग द डिस्क्रिप्शन। एक लिंक है स्पेसिफिकली फॉर सेटिंग अप योर sleep routine. Do watch that video after this one. Second stressor is over-exercising, training harder than you think. Yes, many people think that जब उनका fat loss नहीं हो रहा है वो ज़्यादा ट्रेनिंग करने लगे, जब वो ज़्यादा वर्कआउट करते हैं definitely causes a lot of oxidative stress to the body. It also makes you feel much more hungrier. It is important for you to focus that you should take rest days as well as you should also focus on days when you can do cardio, when you can do heavy weight lifting. अगर आप high intense cardio कर रहे हो बहुत लंबे टाइम से, आपकी बॉडी स्पाइक अप करेगी कॉर्टिसोल, कॉर्टिसोल स्पाइक अप से आपको ज़्यादा भूख लगेगी, आपका इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस ज़्यादा होगा एंड यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सी लॉट ऑफ प्रोग्रेस। देयर आर पीपल हु कीप वर्किंग आउट वे टू मच than usual. They feel that their workout is very important and they eventually start seeing stagnancy in their fat loss. At KetoReds, this is what I recommend KetoReds members. Workout is 7%, diet is 93%. It is good to burn 200 calories in the gym, but अगर आप आके वो 200 calories फिर से खा लोगे, वो खाने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा, but वो 200 calories burn करने में हो सकता है आपको 30 मिनट लगे. You may not be able to again work on this equation. Calorie in, calorie out doesn't work in real practical life. You need to start focusing on workout days, rest days, cardio days, and not just focus on physical activity but also focus on your rest aspects as well, so that you can progress better in your fat loss journey, so that you're not overtraining yourself. Third thing is gut health issues. Your microbiome also decides your metabolism. If you're a person who's been suffering from bloating, constipation, you've been suffering from usual days when you have loose motions, you will not be able to lose fat. One day of constipation leads to 3 days of zero fat loss. One day of bloating leads to 1.5 days of zero fat loss. ये लिख के कहीं पे रख लो. This is actually reality with anybody who is trying to lose fat. You need to focus on your digestion. You need to focus on your microbiome. Include probiotics. Consult a doctor if you do not have great gut health. Consult your professional if you're working with somebody, so that you can include gut friendly foods. Your gut rules everything because it will decide whether it has to store all the nutrients as fat or it has to utilize them. How your digestion works controls your fat loss straight away. It is important for you to start focusing on this. This is a hidden stressor which a lot of people do not value. Number 4 is too much caffeine or stimulants. A lot of people prefer taking pre-workout stimulants. They prefer taking caffeine by evening 6, 7, 8 p.m. as well. The moment when you start increasing caffeine, your cortisol levels will increase, which is going to again make you feel more hungrier, which will affect your sleep cycle, and it is going to be one of the major stressors for you. आप हो सकता है सोच रहे होंगे कि आपने एक प्री वर्कआउट ड्रिंक लिया है, वर्कआउट करने से पहले आप शाम के समय वर्कआउट करते हैं, लेकिन आपकी नींद पूरी खराब हो चुकी है, आपका साइकिल पूरा टेढ़ा हो चुका है, and you're not actually seeing any kind of fat loss. Start addressing your caffeine intake. Do not exceed more than 2 cups of coffee. Keep them very, very limited. Do not have coffee after 3 p.m. If you're an early riser, if you're a late riser, do not have coffee after 4:30 p.m. Try to make sure that you keep your coffee intake, your caffeine intake in the first half, so that you can be much more energetic, but you're not keeping it in the evening hours. Otherwise, you will feel super stressed, and that is going to affect your fat loss journey, which will also affect your sleep cycle. Plus, it will make you feel more hungrier. Plus, you will see no fat loss at all. The fifth point, which is the most underrated stressor, is emotional and mental stress. आपके thoughts क्या हैं? हाउ डू यू गेट इमोशनली स्ट्रेस्ड एंड मेंटली स्ट्रेस्ड? हो सकता है प्रोफेशनली आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो, पर्सनली आपके साथ में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो. अगर आप साथ में ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेज नहीं करेंगे, अगर आप योगा नहीं करेंगे, अगर आप कामिंग डाउन इफेक्ट्स के लिए स्पेसिफिक चीज़ें नहीं करेंगे, यू विल ऑलवेज सी अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस बिल्डिंग अप इन द बॉडी. That is going to bring another roadblock in your fat loss journey. These are 5 hidden stressors. आप चाहें तो उसको कहीं पे लिख लीजिए, चाहें तो अपने आप को उसको रेट करें आउट ऑफ 5 कि आप किस चीज़ के थ्रू जा रहे हैं, so that you can start working on these stressors. These would be a game changer for you in your fat loss journey. Apart from diet and exercise, these 5 factors matter the most. If you're constantly overwhelmed, anxious and you feel frustrated, your body gets into flight mode and fight mode. इसलिए आपको इमोशनल और मेंटल स्ट्रेसेस पे भी काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इसलिए आपकी ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस पे आपको ध्यान देना जरूरी है. एंड यू हैव टू ऑल्सो कट आउट ऑन कैफीन सो दैट योर स्लीप साइकिल डजंट गेट अफेक्टेड, विच इज इंटर रिलेटेड टू cortisol levels increasing, which is interrelated to insulin resistance, and which is one of the major reasons why you are struggling with fat loss. We move to chapter number 3, how to fix hidden stress and start with fat loss. This is a proper guide for you. Please note this down if you're struggling with fat loss. अगर आपकी डाइट, एक्सरसाइज सब कुछ परफेक्ट है, लेकिन आपको प्रोग्रेस नहीं दिखाई दे रही है, these steps will be a game changer in your fat loss journey. Number 1, focus on recovery, not just training. Do not focus on days when you're working out. Start focusing on days when you'll completely rest. Start focusing on days when you will only do cardio, only lift weights, and then focus on days when you're going to completely give yourself that resting time so that you can recover well. Workout से आप जरूर कैलोरीज बर्न करोगे, बट अगर आप लो इंटेंसिटी वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, आप वॉक कर रहे हो, योगा कर रहे हो, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी मच मोर हेल्पफुल. अगर आप हाई इंटेंसिटी वर्कआउट्स कर रहे हो, ट्राई टू इंक्लूड एटलीस्ट रेस्ट डेज सो दैट योर बॉडी कैन रिकवर. स्टेप 2, प्रायोरिटाइज स्लीप लाइक इट्स योर जॉब. जैसे आप अपने काम के लिए सुबह 9 बजे अपने लैपटॉप के सामने बैठ जाते हैं, आपके उसमें कोई नेगोशिएबल नहीं होता उस टाइम पे. आप 11 बजे नहीं आ सकते, आपको पता है आपको अपने काम पे बैठना है. सेम थिंग इज अबाउट स्टार्टिंग विद योर स्लीप शेड्यूल. इफ इट इज 11:30 PM in the night which you feel sleepy, try making sure that you focus on your sleep at that point of time so that you can have ample and good quality of sleep. Start with a pre-sleep routine and set a pre-sleep routine as soon as possible. 21 days it will take you to start developing habit. 66 days it will take you to properly develop a habit which is going to be your daily routine. So start setting it up today itself. Third thing is support your gut health. Add more fiber, add more probiotics, add more prebiotics, consult a doctor if needed. Check out for bloating, constipation, loose motions. Don't feel that it is normal कि इंसान 2 दिन में एक बार जाके freshen up हो रहा है. It is not normal at all. Your fat loss is linked to your gut. Start focusing on your gut health by including gut-friendly foods. Also start focusing on your overall routine by making sure that you have limited portions of food. You set your timings accordingly. You set up according to your routine, be it low carb, be it keto, be it whatever diet you're doing at the moment. Fourth thing is reduce stimulant and caffeine intake. Make sure that you have only 2 cups of coffee, not after 2 PM. उसके बाद आप हो सकता है ग्रीन टी पी लें, कैमोमाइल टी पी लें. उसके बाद में आप हो सकता है इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स पे फोकस करें, लेमन सॉल्ट वाटर आप पिएं, वाइट सॉल्ट हिमालयन पिंक सॉल्ट मिक्स करें, बट ट्राई टू कीप योर स्टिमुलेंट्स लेस. फिफ्थ इज मैनेज मेंटल एंड इमोशनल स्ट्रेस. ट्राई टू टेक आउट टाइम व्हेन यू कैन focus on breathing exercises, spend some time with your family, spend some quality time, reduce your screen time, do not watch TV while you're eating food, do not keep binging Netflix on the weekends, क्योंकि आप उस टाइम वीकडेज में बिल्कुल प्रॉपर्ली सिंक में हो, वीकेंड्स पे आप अपने शेड्यूल को फिर से खराब कर रहे हो. That could bring a lot of stress and that could also hamper your fat loss journey. Fat loss isn't just about your diet or your workout, it's all about your recovery. How do you manage your stress? How do you take care of your overall body and health? And then only you will see the true meaning of fat loss and you will see your body measurements, your body weight progressing. So to conclude this video, fix stress and fix fat loss. You need to really understand managing your gut health, managing your sleep schedule, taking care of your emotional health and mental health, also taking care of your caffeine and stimulant overload, which you should not be doing, and not overtraining yourself is going to be helpful for you to reduce your stress factors if you're struggling with fat loss. Second important thing to note is that managing stress is not just about self-care, it's a crucial part of your fat loss journey. And the third thing which you need to remember is that when you take care of all these factors, when you do things in a balance, you don't have to be in extreme diets and extreme workouts. You may find your diet slightly extreme because you want results to come in, but at the same time you will see everything working like a charm if you take care of these 5 factors. These are very important factors to note. Please make changes today itself. Write down these notes, go back to the same chapters. नीचे बार में आराम से chapters हैं, आप बिल्कुल check कर सकते हो and you can obviously make a change. I have seen in my experience in the last 6 years, out of these 1,000 plus people I've worked with, I've seen more than 270 individuals, those who are working professionals, going through a lot of stress despite being on a diet with me, despite focusing on their workout, not getting their desired results just because they are focusing too much on workouts, they're focusing too much on these stressful factors. Make sure that you make a change so that you can at least find a difference in your fat loss journey and you do not struggle in losing fat. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Subscribe to the channel pressing the bell icon. And if you want to learn about how to set a pre-sleep routine, check out this video. If you want to learn the science behind meal timings, how do you set up your meal timings which can help you to include intermittent fasting in your routine, check out this video. This is Rahul Kamra. I'll see you next week. Signing off.